the medalists.
Another result for Malaysia here. Malaysia had 2 athletes fielded. It was close, but Jebla Bong not quite making it for the podium spots.
President, Wushu Federation of Malaysia. The mascot and sibling will be presented by Dato' Hun Bak Chun, Deputy President, Wushu Federation of Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, bronze medalist, Brunei Darussalam, Sufi Shayiran bin Ruslan.
1/3 of the Roslan brothers from Brunei. And Muhammad Sufi Shayiran bin Roslan outscoring his brother this time round. He lost out to him yesterday, but this time round it was his.
Silver medalist.
And he managed to get a medal. This man right here, Vietnam's Pham Quoc. We were looking to him for a gold. He wouldn't be a stranger to this top step. In 2009, he won the gold medal for this event. In 3 other editions of the Games in 2007, 2011 and 2015, he clinched the silver. This is for you, Malaysia. That's what he's saying as he stands on that top step. Like the champion that he is, Mun Hua. He had scored 9.67, 0.01 points ahead of the silver medalist Pham Quoc. And a big thumbs up. Look at that. Cheering loud and strong
Ladies and gentlemen,
as we await the national anthem for Malaysia.
Anthem of Malaysia, Negaraku.
A firm salute for the flag.
Medalist for the Wushu men's Nanquan. Congratulations to the medalist
Mun Hua, champion of the men's Nanquan here at the 29th SEA Games as we close out this morning's session here from the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre, Hall 5. We've got more action to come in the afternoon in the Wushu, and we'll be closing out the Wushu competition here today, day 3 of competition, as we take yet another look at his stunning display. the ferocity in his motions and movements. And yet, such a great ability to speed it up, slow it down, but still delivering with the power that the judges would be expecting to see, especially from an athlete of his caliber. To win at home in front of a home crowd is nothing short of sensational, and that will be forever etched in his memory as he stands there with a gold medal around his neck under the flag, displaying it proudly. And there you have it, ladies and gents. We are done for this morning's session here at the Wushu. We will be back later on this afternoon. Please make sure that you're following all of our various channels to keep up to date with the latest happenings, especially Team Singapore in action here at the Games. And don't forget the highlight show coming your way this evening as well. Media Corp bringing you the 29th SEA Games on Octo Sports and on Toggle. Stay with us. More to come as the days go by from the 29th SEA Games Kuala Lumpur 2017.